Hello everyone, what you are seeing now is the Bota production workshop. This is the Longitudinal seam welding machine. The effective welding length is 4 meters. It's suitable for plate thickness from 6 to 16 millimeters. The equipment is equipped with a wrist base as per customer requirements. This is an electric lifting trolley. It can assist in lifting and moving workpieces. It's used in conjunction with a longitudinal seam welding machine. This is a customer's small capacity rotator with anti-slip function. It's adjusted by a manual screw. For more information, please contact me. We can provide complete welding solutions.